Hello, good evening. Hello, hello. Hello. Hello, good evening, Jessie, and welcome again to our class for today. So, can you hear teacher? Can you hear me? Yes, wow. Hello,
Yes.
hello. It's nice to see you again, Jessie. How are you today? Are you okay now?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. That's good to know because last time or last Monday you are sick. So I'm happy to know that you are okay right now. And for this one, Jessie, did you already eat your dinner? Have you have have you done eating your dinner? Yes, wow. That's perfect. So now are you ready to discuss our lesson for today? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so very good. So we still have the lesson or unit one, which is all about the first day. But for our lesson for today, like we have tackled in our last class, which is on Friday. So we have tackled what is the title of our lesson. So it is all about shapes. Okay, so now Jessie, can you tell teacher what are the shapes that you can see in these pictures?
I
What
can see a square, a
very good.
diamond,
Diamond.
a circle, a dot,
Wow.
and a triangle, a rectangle, a star.
Star and this one. This is the heart shape. I think you told teacher before or last Friday that your favorite shape is heart. Heart and star. Is that correct? Is that your favorite shape? Wow. Okay, how about this one? Let's look at oh no. Okay, hello again, Jessie. Okay, so now let's continue our lesson. So now let's look. Can you hear teacher? Or hello?
I can also see teacher.
What? You cannot see me?
I, yeah.
Hmm? I also cannot see you, but I have a camera here. I can see myself. Why can't you see me? Okay, let me just check. How about now? Can you see me now? Still no? You cannot
Can
still
you see
see.
me?
I cannot see you. I will send a screenshot in our group chat. So this is what I see. Ting. So your screen is only black. This one. I sent.
But
I cannot see you. I don't know why. But it's okay. We don't need a camera for this one. As long as I can hear you. But you can hear teacher, right?
yes.
Yes, okay. So very good. So for this one, let's take a look at this house. This can you tell teacher what are the shapes that you can see in the house? In this house.
I can see a triangle.
Triangle. Very good. There is a triangle. How about the windows? of the house. What is the shape of the windows of the house?
Done. Diamond.
It's diamond. Very good. It is diamond. So for this one, very good. So we have here triangle and diamond. How about the door? What is the shape of the door? I think it's this one, this shape. It's a rectangle. Okay, so those are our shapes. So now,
Big.
yes, very good. So now let's learn more about of these shapes. Okay, so let's go to our next page and let's listen to or let's watch a video first. Okay, let me just open the video. Just one moment. Let me share the video. Okay, can you see the video now? Or can you see the script? Can you hear it?
Let's go to the classroom. Hello, Sarah. Hello.
I cannot hear.
Oh, you cannot hear? Hmm.
Okay, I can hear.
Ah, you can hear it now. Okay, so let's start again the video.
Let's go to the classroom. Hello, Sarah. Hello, Jamie. Hello, Emily. It's shapes class. Look at the shapes. Circles,
Circles,
triangles, and
triangles,
squares.
and squares.
Look! What is it? It's a
It's
circle.
a circle.
It's purple.
Purple.
Look! It's a square.
Where?
It's yellow.
It's yellow.
Look! It's a triangle.
Triangle.
It's black.
It's black.
Shapes are great. Look! It's a mouse.
Mouse.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles and 1 triangle. Look, it's a robot. It's 1,
Two.
2, 3 squares. 1, 2, 3 circles and 1 triangle. Shapes are fun.
How can I help you?
Okay, so that is for our video. Jessie, so now teacher has a question. What are the shapes that did you saw in the video? What are the shapes that did you see or did you saw in the video? We have the
We-
shape.
We have a circle.
Very good. We have a circle. How about the next shape? This one. Ching. Okay, let me just. Okay, this. What shape is this?
The triangle.
A triangle. Very good. There is also a triangle. How about this one? Okay, what shape is the girl holding?
It's
It's
square.
very good. It is square. So those are the shapes that we have seen in this video. Now, let's go to these objects. Okay, let me just move forward. This one. Okay, based on the video, Jessie, what animal is this?
It's a smell.
It's a
Smell.
Okay, very good. It's a mouse. Now, can you tell teacher how many circles are there in the mouse?
It's 3.
Three, only three? How about the eyes of the mouse? Is it also circle?
Yes.
Yeah, so how many? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, very good. So there are how many? There are 5. There are 5 circles. Okay, very good. How many triangle can you see in the mouse? 1. Okay, so let's say there is only one triangle. So very good. How about this one? Let's move on to this. Okay, what kind of object is this one? It's a
It's a robot.
it's a rowboat. Very good. Now, can you tell teacher how many squares are there in this robot?
Choose pin square.
How many? 2 or 3?
2.
2? Are you sure? So we have here 1, 2. And how about the face of the robot? Is it also a square?
But
Ye-
I is it's not say square in the face.
Oh, this one. The face of the robot. Is it not a square?
What I thought she say
You don't hear
in
you don't heard it? Okay, let's try to play again.
Look! It's a robot! It's 1, 2, 3 squares.
Okay, so how many? How many squares are there? There are
1, 2,
how many? There are 3. So there are 3 squares because the shape of the face of the robot is square. So it is included in the number of how many squares are there. How about the circle? How many circles are there in the face of the robot? There are
B.
very good. There are 3 circles. How about the triangle? How many?
Triangle is 1.
Very good. There is only one triangle. So very good. So that is for our video. So that will serve as the introduction of what is our lesson all about today. So let's go back to the slide. Okay. Let me go back to this one. Okay. So now let's move on to our next page. So let us listen to the sound of these shapes.
Page 10, Lesson 4, Shapes. B. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Circle,
2,
square,
3,
triangle,
4,
rectangle,
Okay, so now let's read the words that are, or the words that we have listened to, the sound. So let's go first with our first shape. What shape is this? It's a,
It's a circle.
very good, it's a circle. Next, it's a, what shape?
It's a square.
Very good. It's a square. How about the third shape? It's a
It's a triangle.
it's a triangle. And the last one will be
It's a rectangle.
Okay, very good. So these are the four shapes that we will learn for today. So now let's go first with this first shape. Okay, what shape is this?
It's a circle.
It's circle. Very good. And what color is the circle?
It's a red.
It's color green. Very good. So it's color green. So good job. So now let's go to the meaning of the circle. So when we say circle, so it is a round shape. It has no corners or no straight sides. So like this. So this shape, so it is only round. So there is no corner, unlike the square. So there are corners in the square. So the shape of the circle is only round. So now let's take a look at this object. What is this, Jessie?
Ball.
It's a ball. Very good. And what is the shape of this ball?
It's a circle.
Very good. It's circle. Good job. So one example of a round shape or a circle shape is a ball. Okay. So next, let's go with our next shape. Okay. What shape is this?
It's a square.
It's a square. Very good. So it's a square. Now, what colors the square?
It's orange.
It's orange. Very good. Now, for the square, so it is a shape with four equal sides and it has four corners. So as you can see, so the square, so it is a shape with four equal sides, meaning, so as you can look at this, they have the same measurements. So this is a square and it has four, one, two, three, and four corners. So now let's go to the one example of a square. This one. Do you know what is this?
It's a window.
Very good. This is a window. Now, what shape is the window?
It's squares.
Very good. It's square. So that is one of the example of the things that is shape or that has the shape square. So one example of the things is box. So most box they are shaped as square. Okay, so that is our shape square. So now let's go to our next shape. Okay, what shape is this?
It's a triangle.
Okay, very good. It's a triangle. So now what colors the triangle?
It's yellow.
It's yellow. Very good. It's color yellow. So now for the triangle, so it is a shape with three sides. So this. So we have one, two, and three sides. So it also has the three corners. So this is the corners of the triangle. So now let's look at this one. Okay, do you know what do we call this?
No.
Ano? Okay, so we call it as it is the roof. Okay, this one. Roof. So we can see a roof above our houses. So what is the shape of the roof or of this roof, Jessie? It's shaped
It's triangle.
very good. It's triangle. So the roof, so most roofs that we can see in the houses, so they are shaped as a triangle, like this one. So this is a roof, what we can see above our houses. Okay. So next, let's go to our next and last shape. Okay, what shape is this?
It's a rectangle.
Very good. It's a rectangle. And now, what is the color of the rectangle?
It's blue.
It's color blue. Very good. So now, let's talk about the rectangle. So a rectangle is a shape with four sides, like the squares. The square also has four sides. However, unlike the square, so the shape of the rectangle is not equal. So there is two long sides here and there is two shorts. Unlike the square, so it has an equal sides. But for this one, there are two long sides and there are two short sides. And also, like the square, so it also has four corners, this one. So that is the rectangle. So now, for this one, what is this, Jessie? This one.
It's with a door.
It's a door. Very good. So it's a door. What is the shape of the door?
Yes, rectangle.
Very good. So the door is rectangle. So as we can see in most houses, so most of the doors are shaped rectangle. So there is long side of in this one, and there is short or shorter sides. So that is one of the example of rectangle. So now let's move on to the next part of our lesson. So for this one, let's learn a new sentence pattern connected to our lesson for today. So first, let's
Page
listen to
10.
the sound.
C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Is it a circle?
Yes, it is.
Is it a circle?
No, it isn't.
Isn't. Is not.
Okay, so now let's read this sentence. Can you read this one? Let's say, is it a circle?
In a circle.
Very good. So this one, let's take a look at this shape. Is this or is it a circle? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So for this question, we will answer it with yes, it is. So we ask this question if we ask about, so this question is for the things or for the questions or answers or things that are only one thing. We ask this question for only one thing. So the usually the answer to this question is yes, it is. If the answer is yes, however, if let's take a look at the second shape. Is it the circle? No. Yes. No. This is not a circle. So if we answer with no, so we will answer with no, it isn't. Yes, very good. So when we say isn't, it is short for is not. So no, it is not. No, it isn't. So we can just say it in the shorter version for us to be able to say it clearly. No, it isn't. Instead of saying no, it is not. So that is how we answer this question. So how about this one? This one. Can you see this? This one. Is it a circle?
No. No, it isn't.
Very good. No, it isn't. How about this one? Is it a circle?
Yes, it is.
Very good. Good job. So that is how we will answer the question. So yes, it is, and no, it isn't. So now let's practice or let's try to practice or apply what we have learned to this one. Let's first listen to this activity.
1.
Is it a circle? Yes, it is.
Okay, let's take a look at this shape. Okay. Jessie, is it a circle? This first shape, is it a circle?
Yes.
Very good. Yes, it. We will answer with yes.
It is.
Okay, very good. So, yes, it is. How about this one? Is it the circle?
Isn't.
No, it isn't. Very good. So, no, it isn't. Next. Okay, let's go with this one. Is it the square? Yes, yes, it is. Very good. Now, let's go to the next shape. This one. Is it a triangle? Yes or no?
It is.
Yes, it is. How about this one? Is it a triangle? Yes or no?
Isn't.
No, it isn't. Is it a rectangle?
Yes. It is.
Okay, very good. Good job. So next, let's go to the
2,
next one.
Is it a circle?
Okay, so let's check your answer. So let's first read number 1. Is it a circle? Yes, it is. Let's read. Is it?
It is a circle. Yes, it is.
Okay, very good. Number 2. Let's read.
This
Is it?
is a circle. No, it isn't.
Very
Is
good.
it a square? Yes, it is.
Okay, very good. So one more time, let's read this word. A square.
Square.
Square, very good. Next, this one. Number 3, let's read. Is it?
This is a triangle. Yes, it is.
Okay, very good. Number 5, and the last one. Is it?
Is a triangle. No, it isn't. It
Is.
is a rectangle. Yes, it is.
Okay, very good. Good job. So that is how we use yes, it is, and no, it isn't. If we have the question, is it the? So that is it. So next, let's have another activity. So for this one, you will just match. You will match the objects into the correct or its corresponding shapes. So let's go first with number 1. So what is this, Jessie? If you still remember our school supplies, what is the name of this school supply?
It's a ruler.
Very good. It's a ruler. Now, what is the shape of the ruler?
It's rectangle.
Very good. It's rectangle. Good job. So as we can see, it's rectangle because the two sides are longer or long and the other two sides are short. So that is the shape of a rectangle. Now, let's go to number 2. What is this?
It's a it's a
It's a it's a bread.
it's a red
Very good. It's a bread. One more time. Let's say bread.
bread.
Very good. Now, what is the shape of the bread?
It's triangle.
Very good. It's triangle. Next, number 3. What school supply is this?
It's the notebook.
Very good. It's a notebook. Now, what is the shape of the notebook?
This
It's Is it a square or rectangle?
rectangle.
Very good, because like the ruler, so it has two long sides and two short sides. So very good. So good job. So for this one, since I can see that it is already our time or the end of our time, so we will continue this activity in our next class, which is on a Friday. Okay. So good job, Jessie, because I can see that you easily understood the sentence pattern that we have. You are able to answer with yes, it is, and no, it isn't. So let us practice it more so that we can apply it again in our next class. Okay. So see you again soon, Jessie. I hope you have a good rest today, and goodbye. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
your time. Goodbye. Thank you.